The zebra, with its striking black and white stripes, is one of the most recognizable creatures roaming the wild African savannas. These majestic animals are not just captivating in appearance. Their biological traits, from unique migration patterns to special social structures, hold secrets that have puzzled scientists and naturalists for centuries. So, why do zebras have stripes? And why do these stripes appear in such a seemingly random pattern? This video is about zebras and how these fascinating animals survive on the wild African plains. Zebras are instantly recognizable by their distinctive black and white stripes, a feature that sets them apart in the animal kingdom. These stripes are unique to each individual, like human fingerprints, and play an important role in their social interactions. But these stripes are not just for decoration, they serve a purpose, and perhaps even more than one. Some theories suggest their stripes act as a form of camouflage. Although black and white might seem conspicuous to us, it's a different story for a lion. The contrasting stripes can create an optical illusion known as motion dazzle. This makes it difficult for a predator to estimate the zebra's speed and direction of movement. Another compelling theory revolves around thermoregulation, suggesting that the black stripes absorb more sunlight and are therefore warmer than the white stripes. This temperature difference creates small breezes that circulate between the stripes, helping to keep the zebra cool in the scorching African heat. Some scientists also believe the stripes may deter bothersome insects. This theory suggests that the alternating patterns disrupt the attractive signals for biting insects like horseflies and mosquitoes, providing the zebra with a built-in insect repellent. Although the exact reason for the zebra's stripes has not been definitively found, one thing is certain: this captivating animal has evolved to thrive in its habitats. Beyond their unique stripes, zebras have developed various other adaptations that contribute to their survival on the harsh African savanna. Their strong, powerful legs not only support a somewhat heavy body, but are also crucial for escaping vicious predators. Zebras can run at speeds of up to 65 kilometers per hour, about 40 miles per hour. And they often run in a zigzag pattern to evade lions, hyenas, and cheetahs. They possess extremely sharp hearing and eyesight, allowing them to constantly be aware of potential threats in their environment. Their large, rounded ears can rotate in almost any direction to detect the faintest sounds. Furthermore, zebras have developed a keen sense of smell. They can detect water sources from a great distance. This skill is essential for their survival on the hot, dry plains of Africa. Zebras also have a unique set of teeth, perfectly designed for their herbivorous lifestyle. They possess strong, broad molars, used for grinding down the tough grasses found on the savanna. These teeth are highly adapted to a high-fiber diet and grow continuously to compensate for the wear and tear from chewing coarse vegetation over long periods. This trait is particularly important as it allows zebras to eat a wide variety of grasses, some of which may be too tough for other herbivores, thereby giving them a competitive advantage in their habitat. A zebra's life is a delicate balance between leisure and moments of survival, punctuated by the constant buzz of the African savanna. A new day for a zebra usually begins at the crack of dawn as the sun appears on the horizon. These animals wake from their night's rest and begin their main activity of the day, grazing. Zebras are herbivores, feeding primarily on various plants and spending a large portion of their day, up to nearly 60%, chewing. But food is not all there is to their lives. Zebras are highly social animals, living in close-knit family groups called herds. This structure consists of one stallion, a male, several mares, females, and their offspring. Zebras communicate with each other using a complex system of vocalizations, body postures, and facial expressions. If you have the chance to observe a zebra herd, you will notice they always stay close, often nuzzling against each other and grooming one another. This is an important social bonding behavior. However, life on the savannah is not always peaceful and serene. Zebras constantly face serious threats from predators like lions, hyenas, and cheetahs. These predators see zebras as easy prey and will not hesitate to attack even adult individuals. Zebras use a unique defense mechanism, relying on the collective power of their large herd. When a predator approaches, the zebras form a tight group, their stripes blending together into a larger, more confusing mass. This makes it difficult for the predator to single out an individual. Zebras also use their sharp hooves and powerful kicks to fend off attackers. They often circle around their young to provide extra protection. Interestingly, zebras have adapted to sleep while standing, so they can be ready to flee at the first sign of danger. Thanks to their numbers, zebras can take turns keeping watch, a rather effective strategy for ensuring the herd's survival in the challenging African wilderness. During the breeding season, zebras engage in fascinating mating rituals that further highlight their complex social structures and behaviours. During this time, the stallions in the herd become louder and more active in their efforts to attract mares. They participate in a series of captivating displays, including braying loudly, nuzzling females, and even giving gentle bites. The stallions also perform a spectacular rearing dance around potential mates, which helps to demonstrate their strength and agility. For their part, the females signal their readiness by staying close to a preferred male and responding to his courtship behaviours. After a pair forms, they will isolate themselves from the herd for a time, strengthening their bond before rejoining the group. This complex process is essential for maintaining strong family ties within the herd. The mating season for zebras varies depending on their habitat, but often coincides with the end of the rainy season, when life-sustaining resources are plentiful. A female zebra typically gives birth to a single foal after a gestation period of about 12 to 14 months. This long gestation ensures that the young is born under optimal conditions, helping to maximize its chances of survival. After birth, a zebra foal gets on its feet quickly, usually standing and walking within an hour of birth. This rapid development is crucial for the foal's survival in the predator-rich environment they are born into. The young foals are weaned at around 11 months of age, although they often stay with their mother's family group for much longer to learn social and survival skills within the herd. Eventually, when the young zebras reach sexual maturity at around 3 years old, they will leave their maternal herd to start a new one. This continuous cycle of birth, growth, and dispersal is what helps the zebra population thrive in the wild. Zebras face a host of predators and environmental threats that constantly challenge their survival in the harsh landscapes of Africa. Besides natural predators like lions, cheetahs, and hyenas, human activities have emerged as an even more dangerous threat to zebra populations. They suffer from habitat loss due to the expansion of agricultural land, fencing, and urban development across the vast landscapes that zebras rely on for migrating to find food and water. Additionally, competition for resources with livestock, being hunted for their distinctive hides, and climate change, which exacerbates water and food scarcity, further endanger their existence. Despite the zebra's resilience and adaptability, the survival of this beautiful animal heavily depends on conservation efforts aimed at restoring their natural habitats and mitigating human-induced threats. Through their unique adaptations and complex social structures, zebras have become a symbol of the wild spirit and diverse landscapes of Africa. From grasslands to mountains, from deserts to savannas, these magnificent creatures continue to thrive in some of the most challenging environments on Earth. Whether for their striking beauty, fascinating behaviors, or enduring resilience, zebras will always hold a special place in the hearts and minds of those who've encountered them. They are truly one of Africa's most iconic and beloved animals, a testament to the beauty and wonder of the natural world. And what do you think about the fascinating coat of this equally fascinating animal? Leave your thoughts in the comments section below.